Sindh, you are unbelievable. Sindh, you are beautiful. Sindh, you are so rich in people and history and culture. This is looking like one of my best trips ever. I'm so happy I'm here. And on to our next destination. Process that we are actually here in the shrine of Lal Shahbaz calendar here in Sevan Sharif. You know, apparently this place is visited by about 1 million people every year, and now I am one of those people.
जिया जियारल मखां जान सारल मखां मंजिले इश्क जे चंद्र तारल मखां काक जी हर कंधिया जे किन
I feel so lucky right now at the heart of the shrine that I see all these people around me. Everybody's so touched, and I myself, I'm so touched that I can be here right now. This is a place that's so special to so many people.
हेठ वगे दरी आओ भला झूले लालण हेठ वगे दरी आओ भला झूले लालण सिंधड़ी दा सेवण दा सखी लजपाल कलंदर धमाधम मस्त कलंदर अली शाहबाज कलंदर हुसैनी लाल कलंदर अली दम दम दे अंदर हाँ लाल मेरी
लोली दिसी तुझे हीरन ऐं मोतिन जी छोली दिसी सिंधी बोलिया जी लबड़न ते लोली दिसी गर्दिशे
You are never going to guess where I have just found myself. This was not actually a destination that we were even meant to include in this vlog, yet here I am, and I am in probably one of the most incredible places I've ever seen in my life. It's right here in Sindh, and it's called Manchar Lake.
Sindh murke pai, Sindh murke pai, Sindh murke pai.
I really meant what I said. A whole family of 5 live here right on this boat 24/7. I'm holding a baby that lives on a boat, in the middle of the lake. They don't come on land, they don't have a house on land. This is their house. This is where they sleep. This space. That is where they eat. There's a little stove there. That's their kitchen. And a small roof over their heads. And this is where they live and work and spend their time as a family. In the middle of an infinite lake.
Sindh murke pai, 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 Sindh murke pai.
The sun has just risen here above the fort. We arrived just in time, and it's so cold. I'm shivering, but I want to see how this place looks from the top. Guys, I want to show you something. Come have a look. The fascinating thing about Ramkot Fort is that nobody really knows light begin to hit this beautiful structure and lend it that incredible celestial light. This is the true beauty of the union between a man-made construction and nature. And there's nobody else here. And finally we have arrived in Sakar. Sakar is the last point on our journey and the starting point for us to see something really very special that not many people outside of this region know about. Let me show you.
Sindhu murke pai, Sindhu murke pai, Sindhu murke pai, Sindhu murke pai, Sindhu murke pai.
We finally arrived in our final destination on this incredible, very eventful road trip of Sindh. So we now just have one more tiny jump across the river Indus in that boat and we'll make it to Satbel Island right here in Sakar. So as they say in Sindhi, hello?
मुझे तखय्युल जाए मैं जबी शाल जिंदा हुजी शाल सन में वसी बुलबुले.
So I see already there's a lot of Hindu heritage here, a lot of Hindu history. Those beautiful temple, gate, decorations that actually remind you of things that you find in India. Go and check it out.
Sindhu murke pai, 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 Sindhu murke pai. Jiya jiyaral matha jaan saral matha manzile ishq.
That's Sindh. Diverse, spiritual, in places magical, and filled with so many stories. Stories that not many of us know out here in this world. But that's Sindh. Understated, but majestic in that beautiful, mysterious elegance. I think this is a place that needs a lot more than just a few days for you to truly understand, to truly comprehend, and to truly get under the skin of everything that is part of Sindh. So here's to many more returns.